Hey guys, welcome to another video. In this video, we'll be revising some MCQs of the topic vegetation in India. So I would be uploading this video in IsEqualTo Shivang. Be sure to check out the videos in IsEqualTo Shivang, where I've covered topics on history and literature and computer, and also physics and maths. So let's move on. The third question: tropical deciduous tree special to the Deccan Plateau. So the correct answer for this would be C, sandalwood. Fourth, the most important commercial forests of India are A, B, C, or D. The correct answer for this would be C, tropical deciduous. These are the most exploited forests of India for industry and human use. The fifth question, dash trees provide hard durable timber for construction purposes and boat making. So the correct answer for this would be Sundari trees. Sixth, tropical desert forests have dash vegetation due to scarcity of rainfall. The trees are stunted with large patches of coarse grasses. So the correct answer for this would be C, xerophytic. They are xerophytic in nature. These are some adaptations for the desert plants to survive in the harsh climate. Which one of the following types of forest covers the maximum area in India? The correct answer to this would be B, tropical moist deciduous forest. The eighth question, open stunted forests with bushes and having long roots and sharp thorns or spines are commonly found in, so this would be D, Western Andhra Pradesh. So as I said, sharp thorns or spines are basically adaptations for them to survive an unfavorable climate. The ninth question, which of the following forests is grown in waterlogged areas? Would it be A, B, C, or D? This would be D, mangrove forest. Which one of the following areas of India is covered by tropical evergreen forests? So for this, the correct answer would be C, Western Ghats. With reference to Indian forests, answer the following pairs. Tropical moist deciduous forest, sandalwood. Tropical dry deciduous forest, sal. Tropical thorn forest, shisham. So let's mark the correct option for this. The correct option for the 11th question would be B, 1 and 2. Which one of the following words is used to denote species of animals of a particular region? So this would be B, fauna. Let's move on. 13th question. Which is the famous animal of the mangrove forest? The correct answer would be A, Royal Bengal tiger. To which one of the following types of vegetation does Sundari tea belong to? It belongs to B, tidal. Which part regions of India have tropical evergreen forests? So Western Ghats and upper parts of Assam have it. In which one of the following states you will find one-horned rhinoceros? You would find it in Assam. Cinchona trees are found in the areas of rainfall more than dash. So would it be A, B, C, or D? It would be B, 100 centimeter, moderate rainfall. Dash trees are used for extracting oil and its flowers for making wine are largely found in Madhya Pradesh. So this would be C, mahua. Assertion reasoning. In the statement given below, there are two statements marked as assertion A and assertion R. Read the statements and choose the correct option. Okay, so the assertion A in 19th question states that tropical evergreen forests are found in warm and humid areas with annual precipitation of over 200 centimeters. And reason R is tropical evergreen forests are also known as rainforests. So for this, the correct answer would be A. Both A and R are true, and R is the correct explanation for A. The 20th question. Assertion A. For a balanced ecological development, at least 33.3% of the total land area of a country should be covered by forests. So for this, the correct answer would be D. A and R are true, but R is not the correct explanation for A. Moving on to the 21st question. Assertion A. The southern mountain forests are of comparatively low height than Himalayas. Reason R. The southern mountain forests are pure stand. So the correct answer for this would be C. 22nd question. Match the plant species with the correct type of vegetation. The 22nd question. Match the following. Match the plant species with the correct type of vegetation. So for this, the correct answer would be C. Moving on to the 23rd question. Match the correct vegetation type of the region in which they are found. So would it be A, B, C, or D? The correct answer for the 23rd question would be A. The picture-based questions. The 24th question. Identify the type of vegetation. So look at the picture and observe and answer the following questions. So for this, the correct answer would be, of course, mangrove forests. 25th question. Arrange the following. Arrange the following types of vegetations according to their percentage share of land, highest to lowest. 1, 2, 3, or 4, what will be the correct option? So the correct option for this would be C, 1, 3, and 4, 2. 26th question. Arrange the following areas according to the percentage area covered by forest, highest to lowest. Haryana or Arunachal Pradesh, Tamil Nadu or Goa. So the correct option for this would be B, 2, 4, 3, 1. The 27th question. Arrange the following Himalayan species of plants found according to their altitude, lowest to highest. So for this, the correct answer would be D, 4, 1, 2, 3. Okay, so let's move on. The 28th question. Find the odd one out. A, B, C, or D. The correct answer for this would be D, the Indo-Himalayan region. Find the incorrect pairs. So we have mountain forest, pure stand forest, tropical evergreen, which is multi-layered forest, mangroves, which are swamp forests, and D, deciduous is monsoon forests. So the incorrect pair for this would be A. Moving on to the 30th question. Identify the type of vegetation with the help of the following features. The first question, they shed leaves during the prolonged dry season, 2 or 3. For this, the correct answer would be B, tropical deciduous forests. Let's move on. The 31st question, which one of the following statements is not true? It is not true about the national forest policy. So for this, the correct answer would be A. The forest policies are operational in India since medieval period. Okay, so the 32nd question, which one of the following is not the reason behind decrease of forest cover in India? Would it be A, B, C, or D? So for this, the correct answer would be B, artificial forestry. Sorry for that. 33rd question, Chipko movement, Uttarakhand, a Peako movement. So the correct answer for this would be B, Karnataka. Which one of the following statements are valid for the saying forests are important for human beings? 1, 2. So they support industries and provide livelihood. They control wind force and temperature and cause rainfall. So for this, obviously, it would be C, both 1 and 2, because they support industries, provide livelihood. For industries in the sense for boat making and construction purposes, providing livelihood in the sense you have tribal people who rely solely on nature and forests to provide them shelter. Second, they control wind force and temperature and cause rainfall. So you might have noticed if you would have passed under a tree carefully, you would notice that it would feel much more cool. All right, that's the regulating phenomena of a tree. It regulates the temperature and causes rainfall. They control wind force in the sense that if you see, for example, if you have a huge expanse of land, so you have a farmland. So you would have noticed if you stay in India or if you stay anywhere, you would have these main highways. You would have these main highways, and you might take a car and you might have gone for a road trip or whatever. So you will see these large tracts of farmlands, and in the edge of these farmlands, you would have seen these trees, right? These trees. Now, at first, also, I didn't understand what would they put the tree for. I used to think that they used to put it for decoration purposes, but that's actually false. The trees were used as shelter beds. So basically, to prevent wind erosion, they would erect trees because they block the passage of wind and therefore prevent wind erosion. The 35th question. Which one of the following statements are valid in reference to social forestry? The first question or the second question? So the correct answer for this would be A. Only one. So second is correct. Map-based question. 36th. Study the map and answer the following question. Which type of vegetation is found in the shaded region? So let's look at the shaded region. The shaded region shows the state of Arunachal Pradesh. A part of it, or full, I don't know. This type of vegetation is found in the shaded region. So D, mountain forest is found because Arunachal Pradesh is present in the region of the Himalayas, or basically mountainous regions. And then the final question, second, which one of the following trees are commonly found in this type of vegetation? Would it be A, B, C, or D? The correct answer for this would be D, sorry, all of these. So you have oak, you have silver fir, you have cedar, which are all mountainous trees, and they are present in mountainous areas or regions. So that brings us to the end of this video. I hope you found this video useful, helpful, and you enjoyed this video. And this video will be uploaded on IsEqualTo Klasses Shivan, where you will find other videos on topics such as history, literature, and computer. Be sure to check them out. And also, just to remind you that this video was the MCQ, revision MCQ for the chapter Natural Vegetation, or simply Vegetation in India. So don't forget. So stay home, stay safe, take care, and I'll see you in the next video.